Okay, now we're going to show you how to make an elephant. This elephant is a kawahata elephant. There's an excellent tutorial already on YouTube, but that one takes quite a long time to go through. And so for this one is actually a little bit quicker for people that are a little bit more proficient at folding. But anyway, here we go. Okay, we're going to start off with folding a square base. Okay. Then we're also going to fold this in half and turn it into a 2x2 grid of squares. So fold it diagonally, then the horizontal and vertical. And you want to make sure that you make a nice sharp crease through all the layers. Okay. Then you're going to fold all four corners in. By doing this, we basically do a lot of the pre-creasing, which will help hopefully speed up the process. Okay, open it up. Fold this corner into the middle, turn it through 90 degrees. We're going to fold this edge to align with this edge. And crease the paper across. Open it back up. Okay, we're going to fold this corner to that opposing line here and make a crease along here. Okay. Then we're going to fold this edge to that newly folded crease. Okay. Turn it through 180. Now we created this diagonal a minute ago. We're just going to fold that corner to meet that diagonal. Okay. Flip it over. This was the crease that we just made a second ago. I'm going to fold it up. Then crease that down. This part will eventually become the snout. Okay. On this part, turn it over. Fold this to the middle. And then we're going to fold this part up. Turn it over. And we're going to fold this edge also towards that section. This will become the tail. Okay, let me just get a pen. I will draw the next section. This is an existing crease line that's here. We're going to form the tail by making a crease there, making a crease there, then collapsing it down and forming the tail. Turn it through 90 degrees, fold it in half. You're going to open this section up and collapse it down. Fold it down across. Then we're going to lift this section here on that crease line. As we lift this, we're going to collapse this part down to form the back foot. You're going to push that in. As you push that in, that's going to go up naturally. then flip it over and repeat on the other side. So again, along that line, lift this piece up, make a crease, push that in, and collapse it down. These flaps here will come back down, and you should have this shape. Now you want to turn it through 45 degrees, like so, and this part we're going to concentrate on, which will make the snout. We're going to fold this edge to meet that line. We're just going to make the crease here. And then we're going to collapse this part in. And fold it across. Okay, the first tricky part of this part of this model is that you have to now open this part up as far as it will go. And as you open this part up, this side will want to come up. You want to bring it all the way up. And as you bring that up, you want to just allow this side to collapse down into its natural form to form the snout. Okay, flip it over and again repeat on the other side. So you're going to lift this part up. As you lift this part all the way up, this flap will want to come up. Let it come up, fold it down, and then just gently allow this snout to form. Okay. To form the front leg, open that up and collapse it down. Repeat on the other side. Open that up and collapse that down. Lift up these flaps on both sides. Okay, we're going to fold this foot down along this diagonal here. We're basically trying to get that crease line to match up with that crease line. Like so. I'll repeat on the other side. Okay. Going to fold this edge down to that center line. This will form the back. Again, repeat on the other side. You're going to bring this entire flap down and bend this backwards. And then push it back up. And you're going to repeat on this other side as well. So bring this entire triangle down, make a crease, bring that flap and turn it the other direction. Okay. Going to form the ears. You just pull out one of the ears, and you got this like little pleat here. You're just going to reverse it so it will conform flat against the body. So repeat on the other side. Pull out the ear. Again, you've got that little zigzag pleat. You're just going to reverse the mountain and valley folds. Okay, looking a bit like an elephant now. All the rest of the folds now will just be to form it into a nice rounded shape. So, first of all, let's fold this section here, just to round off that sharp edge. Just fold it in. To form the snout, fold that up, invert it onto the inside, and then fold it down. Okay. The front feet, just fold this part up, make a crease, bring it back down, and again you want to invert those folds onto the inside. Okay, back legs, make a crease there, and again invert that fold onto the inside. Repeat on the other side. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, to make the back, you're going to lift this entire side over. Then you're going to fold that edge towards the middle where the tail is. And you're going to repeat on the other side. And collapse it back down. We're nearly there. To finish it, the front legs, what you want to do is just bend it, slight diagonal, make a crease, bring it back out, then fold it the other way. So you're just bending it one way, then the other. And then to finally finish it off, from the back foot, you want to pop it open, like so. Put your finger in, pop it open. Hold the tail, and see this white flap there? You're just going to push it down and round. There's a natural crease there, and as you push it down, you want to fold it onto the inside and just push it all the way down. Give it a good pinch, and this should hold the body shape. Now for the front legs, you're just going to allow them to bend forward a bit, make a pinch. Same here, bend forward a bit, make a pinch. And there you have the finished elephant. That'll quite nicely stand. I normally like to push this back bump here down a little bit so it's a bit more rounded. There you go.